Nair reiterating what he had said yesterday as far as the statements and the accounts that was noted down of Sushant's sister by the Mumbai police, and that it was the statement written in Marathi, a language that the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput do not understand, and they were in a way forced to sign those statements. And now after that, Riya's PR machinery is now on an overdrive, questioning the family's role in the statement that they had mentioned. Vikas Singh dismissing that they were not in the know of what was being mentioned in those statements, as the family does not understand the Marathi language. Going back to Piyush on the NCB angle that is being probed as we speak, because two of those drug peddlers now we are getting to know that have been produced in court. Another one who's been shown as alleged arrest that has been made in the case. Is there a direct link to Shovik on the third person who has been arrested in the case by the NCB, Piyush?
Well, Amita, that we need to wait for, because as of now, NCB has not said so. What we are picking is that there could be a detailed statement released at the part of NCB, because yesterday while speaking to us, KPS Malhotra had mentioned about the fact that today NCB will be releasing detailed statement about the kind of findings which they have found during raids across the Mumbai. But what we are learning is that this third man who has been arrested, he was arrested on the informations those were gathered after the arrest of Zayed and Basit. We know that NCB was keeping its eyes on across the drug rackets in Mumbai, and they had conducted several raids across the Mumbai, and after that these two persons were initially detained and then arrested. Now they have also been produced before the court, where NCB is seeking their 10 days custody. The another person who has been arrested as of now, NCB is doing further investigations. His links with Shovik are yet to be ascertained. But what we are also learning is that NCB has got incriminating evidence against Shovik Chakravarti, because not only he was linked with one person, but there were multiple persons who are linked in this very connection. And now not only NCB but also ED is investigating this drug angle in this case, because Rishabh Thakkar, who is very close.
So quick update on the 5 arrests so far that have been made. 2 of those drug peddlers that have been arrested are being produced in court, the Killa court. One of them, another arrest that has been made, though no direct link to Shovik Chakravarti that has been confirmed yet by the NCB, which today will be coming out with an official statement and will be giving out the actual figures on the number of arrests that they have made so far in their investigation. Piyush, thanks very much for joining